So Sensoro provides a long-range, low-power sensor network, and this is an example of one of the sensors we provide. It's our Node 4 AA. It has light, temperature, and humidity sensors, and it also acts as a Bluetooth beacon. So the difference here is that this beacon can actually be managed remotely, and it includes all that sensor data as well. And the heart of our system is our base station. And here's an example of it right here. And our base station can talk to up to 1,000 sensors, and line of sight up to 6 miles away as well. So we have a very extensive connectivity, very cost-effective solution for setting up a sensor network. It's very easy to scale as well. So if you go over 1,000 sensors, just add another base station and continue.
What are some of the use cases that you apply?
Okay, so some of the use cases, so obviously it's an environmental sensor. Some of the use cases include smart city applications or industrial and commercial applications. That's really our focus.
And are you already in production? Is this?
Yes, we produce these devices and they're available for purchase as well, including the base station.
So can you tell me a bit about how the technology works and what makes you unique?
Okay, so our technology is a long-range, low-power protocol. So what makes it unique is that we can handle many devices and make our systems easy to deploy. So it's simple, manage, and scale. That's our motto. So it's simple to deploy and set up this network. All the sensors come pre-configured, so you can drop them in. It's easy to manage because the base station uploads the data to a central monitoring platform where you can, and there's an example of what it looks like. So you can see an overview of all the sensors you have in your network, and you can change the settings for each one individually or in batch.
Right.
So
what are we seeing here?
So what you're seeing, this is actually the sensor list. So these are all the devices in our network.
Right.
You can name them and label them at will. So label, you can give it a specific location or its function, and the data is the last sensor data that was uploaded.
Okay.
So.
Okay, so that'll come.
We work on the Semtech chip, so we're operating on the ISM band, but we have our own RF components, our own firmware, and our own protocol.
Right. And where do you see your technology going over the next 5 years?
Well, it's really big with smart city applications.
Oh, okay.
All right. And especially industrial applications. And we're already in commercial. We started providing proximity beacons for proximity marketing purposes. And that is also something we can continue doing as well. Our protocol is simplified to make it easy to develop solutions. So although we have a prepackaged sensor, which is the one I demonstrated here already, we also provide our own chipset that allows us to work with a third-party manufacturer to come up with any number of custom solutions. So your question before, like where do we see the market going? It can go anywhere, and we're flexible and quick to respond because our system's easy to develop. It can be indoor or outdoor. It's beautiful and lightning proof as well. So
Lightning proof.
it is. So we make a really robust system, and I feel like it works well. It works well in cities. It works well in open environments. It's very flexible. So simple to deploy, easy to manage, and scale.
And how do people get in contact with you if they want more information about your product?
Oh, thank you. So they can go to our website. It's at sensoro.com, and all the information's there.
Okay, brilliant. Thank you.
Thank you.